You know that moment? You look down, your shirt lifts, and you're like, when did that happen? Here's the brutal truth. 70% of people who work out still have a stubborn belly. They hit the gym, eat somewhat clean, and their midsection refuses to budge. But here's what they're all missing. In the next few minutes, I'm showing you the one habit, not a diet, not a 2-hour workout, that literally reshapes your belly in 28 days. It's so simple, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner. And the science? It's actually ridiculous. Look, everyone's selling you a pill, a supplement, a magic belt. Meanwhile, what actually works is sitting right in front of you, and it costs nothing. Here's the deal, your body has one primary driver for belly fat storage. It's not calories. It's not carbs. It's something deeper, something that 99% of people never address. When you fix this one thing, your body literally stops prioritizing belly fat storage. Your metabolism shifts, your hormones align, and the fat, it leaves. This isn't hype. This is biology, and by the end of today's video, you'll understand exactly why your body stores fat where it does, and how to flip the switch. You ready? Part 1. The eating window. First, understand this. Your belly fat is directly tied to insulin sensitivity. When your insulin stays elevated all day, your body sees no reason to burn stored fat. It's in storage mode. The habit? Compress your eating into an 8-hour window. Stop eating 4 hours before bed. Here's why this actually works. When you stop eating early, your cortisol, stress hormone, naturally drops. Your insulin levels bottom out. And here's the kicker. Your body shifts into something called nocturnal thermogenesis. Your metabolism speeds up while you sleep. Study from the International Journal of Obesity found people who ate in a 6 to 8 hour window lost 3 times more visceral fat, the deep belly fat, compared to regular eaters without changing what they ate. That's the foundation. But most people stop here, and that's where they fail. Real quick, I tested this myself. First week, nothing. Week 2, still skeptical, but by week 3, I looked down and my belt fit differently. My shirts weren't riding up, not because I was doing cardio, because my body finally had permission to burn the fat it was sitting on. That's when I realized the eating window isn't about restriction, it's about signaling. Part 2, the protein move. Now inside that 8-hour window, here's what makes the magic happen. Eat 35 to 40% of your calories from protein. Why? Because protein does 3 things simultaneously. Thermic effect. Your body burns 25% of protein calories just digesting it. So if you eat 100 protein calories, your body burns 25 just breaking it down. Carbs? 5%. Fat? 3%. Satiety. Protein shuts down ghrelin, hunger hormone. You eat less without trying. Preservation. When you're in that 8-hour window, protein preserves muscle while fat burns. Without it, you lose muscle and fat. Your metabolism tanks. You bounce back. So here's the actual day-to-day. Your first meal, hour 1 to 2 of window. 40 grams protein plus vegetables. Could be eggs, chicken, Greek yogurt. Mid-window meal, hour 4 to 5. Another 40 grams protein plus carbs. Rice, potatoes, oats. Final meal, hour 6 to 7. 30 grams protein plus fiber-rich veggies. That's it. You're not counting calories obsessively. You're just hitting protein. Everything else follows. Part 3, the sleep component. Here's what nobody tells you. The real fat burning happens at night. When you stop eating at 6 p.m. and sleep at 11 p.m., you've got a 5-hour metabolic window before sleep. Your insulin is stable. Your growth hormone rises. Your sympathetic nervous system activates fat-burning pathways. Then during sleep, your body goes into repair mode. It's literally recomposing itself. Muscle gets built, fat gets broken down. But, and this is crucial, you need 7 to 9 hours. Why? Because after 6 hours of sleep, your cortisol starts rising. If you only sleep 5 to 6 hours, you wake up with elevated cortisol and elevated ghrelin. You crave sugar, you overeat in your window, you sabotage everything. So the full habit isn't just the eating window, it's 8-hour eating window plus 35 to 40% protein plus 7 to 9 hours sleep. That's the trinity. 3 things all reinforcing each other. Common mistakes. Mistake number 1, I'll just eat less overall. You cut calories without fixing the eating window or adding protein. What happens? You're hungry. You have no energy. Your metabolism slows 15 to 20%. You lose weight, sure, but it's mostly muscle. And after 2 weeks, you can't stick with it. The fix, don't cut calories. Compress your window and eat protein. Your body will naturally eat less because protein equals satiety. You're working with biology, not against it. Mistake number 2, I'll do this plus intense cardio every day. You're in the eating window, hitting protein, sleeping well, and then you go hammer 90 minutes of cardio daily. What happens? Your cortisol spikes. Your body holds onto belly fat harder because it thinks you're in survival mode. You become more hungry, you lose muscle, you end up more frustrated. The fix, Protein Plus window, is the primary driver. Add 30 minutes of moderate cardio 3 to 4 times per week. That's it. Let the habit do the work. Mistake number 3, one cheat day won't matter. Okay, so you nail the habit Monday to Friday. Saturday, you demolish pizza, alcohol, dessert. What happens? One high insulin spike resets your body's metabolic state. You're back at square one hormonally. By Sunday, you're craving sugar again. By Monday, you're rebuilding from nothing. The fix, give yourself one meal, not a full day, on the weekend. Enjoy it guilt-free, but that's it. Your weekday discipline compounds. Your weekend treat doesn't erase it. The 28-day action plan. Week 1, establish the window. Your only focus, eat between noon and 8 p.m. Don't worry about protein yet. Don't stress about perfection, just compress your window. Most people report easier digestion, more energy in the afternoon, sleeping better. Why? Because you're finally letting your body rest. Week 2, add the protein. Now add protein targets. 40 grams, 40 grams, 30 grams across your 3 meals. Most people report way less hungry, more satisfied after eating, starting to notice clothes fit better. Why? Because your hormones are stabilizing. Week 3, lock in sleep. By now, your body's naturally sleeping better, but enforce it. 7 to 9 hours, same time every night. Most people report more energy, better workouts, visible definition starting to show. Why? Because sleep is where the recomposition happens. Week 4, consistency compounds. You're 3 weeks in. The habit is automatic. Now it's just showing up. Most people report clear visual changes in the mirror. Clothes fit noticeably different. Energy through the roof. Why? Because 28 days of consistent signaling equals your body completely shifts its fat storage priorities. Here's your 24-hour test. Tomorrow, eat between noon and 8 p.m. Hit protein targets. Sleep 8 hours. Just one day. See how you feel. See if your energy is different. See if you're less bloated. Because once you feel the difference, you don't need motivation. You need consistency. And consistency, that's the real habit. But honestly, you don't need it. Everything you need is in this video. Execute it. See the results. Then decide what's next. The belly fat doesn't disappear because you're lucky. It disappears because you decided to change the signal your body receives every single day for 28 days straight. So decide. Hit that 28-day window. You've got this. See you on the other side.